are doing here is to clean up the place and keep it safe from all plastic and all dirt.
Today has been a very great day for us indeed. Behind what you can see is the entire work that we've done in the past 5 hours almost. We started working by 7:30 in the morning. It was our initiative. See, it is not any individual's mistake. It is not any group's mistake. But it is every single person living in Bangalore's mistake that we have to do this today. If everyone does his or her own work, probably we as a group would not need to come down on the streets and showcase that what is our motive.
We should keep our earth clean. We should not litter it. These roads are dirty because we are littering this.
We are picking up the plastics and other biodegradable waste and kind of packing it up and keeping them in a place. And we are just messaging the BBMP so that they can pick it up.
The people moving on the road, they just appreciated us. They just told, keep the good work, and some people did join us and all. It was actually a great day, fun.
I want to clean Bangalore.
I think it's excellent. I think as we went along, a lot of people asked us questions. We told them what we were doing, and we asked them to be clean from now. So I think that in that way the awareness created, I think, was massive.
We felt good cleaning it, that we are cleaning our own city, and people observe that we are cleaning. So even they felt we shouldn't litter because after all it's our own country, we live in it, and because of what others are suffering, so we should keep it clean.
I want to keep my city clean.
I think it's high time everyone realized that people are using too much plastic, non-biodegradable substance. So I think we need to avoid that first. Plastics, then littering in parks. And you can see in the park where people actually come for like morning walks and all, it's very dirty. So I think people should get that awareness now.
We have garbage right under the dustbin.
Yeah.
I mean, there's a dustbin right there, but they don't see that. They put the dirt right next to it.
In future, they should start doing their own work. They should keep the place clean. So we saw today morning, we saw people like students coming out of the school. They came out, they saw us cleaning, they threw the paper on the road. Again, they picked it up, threw it in dustbins. Then there were some factory people who came, saw us doing this. They got factory waste from their factory, came down to the road, helped us cleaning. Then the BBMP ladies, they feared like we'll have a complaint against them because media people are coming in. But we just told them and they helped us indeed. They gave us their own cart for pulling all the garbage from that end to this end. And it was the help of the whole students group.
In one day we can't clean the whole city, but it's just an initiative started today. We hope it will continue.
We are proud to do this. We want to clean Bangalore.
One team will go around the park, tell the visitors, this is your park, your children's park, you have to keep it clean, tell them not to litter.